Very, very okay. Please subscribe.
Welcome to my channel. Very, very okay. Delicious food only here. Very, very okay. Today I'm gonna prepare a delicious pork in the oven. Here I have almost 500 grams of pork. Looks very nice. Here I have 3 cloves of garlic. I'm gonna mash my garlic and I'm gonna reserve my garlic here. I'm gonna use 1 lime. Subscribe, thumbs up, share this video because this is very, very okay. I'm gonna squeeze my lime with the garlic. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt. A good salt. Yes, sea salt, it's very good. Now I'm gonna add black pepper because I love black pepper. You add according to your preference. And now I'm gonna add half of a teaspoon of turmeric. And now I'm gonna mix everything. 1 bay leaf to give me more flavor. And now let's back with the pork. You can stab if you want. I prefer to use my knife. So you can do like this way. And now I'm gonna mix with the lime and the garlic. You have to mix very well, and this is gonna penetrate in the meat, okay? After mix very well, I'm gonna use this bag. You can use a plastic bag. Yes, this process is to marinate. I'm gonna leave in the fridge about 30 minutes to 1 hour to marinate. Okay, let's check our meat after 30 minutes to 1 hour in the fridge. I'm gonna prepare my fryer pan. Yes, needs to be hot, okay, to sear the meat. Yes, my pan is hot. I'm gonna add the pork and you can see the smoke. It means that my pan is hot. I'm gonna sear it both sides. And this pork, it's very delicious, especially because of the lime. So I'm gonna cook both sides, okay? The taste is very good. I need to sear it very well. After sear it, I'm gonna reserve. I don't wanna make a mess. That's why I'm gonna use tin foil. I'm gonna add the pork here. I'm gonna season. And you can add according to your preference. You can make a mix with black pepper, paprika, turmeric. Here I have 1 package, about 20 grams. I'm gonna add here 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of paprika. Yes, I'm gonna add more black pepper. And this is according to your preference, so I'm gonna make a mix. If you wanna add more, it's up to you, okay? So it's gonna be my mix powder. I have butter here. I'm gonna melt this butter, which is gonna be about 30 grams. The butter will give an extra flavor. So I'm gonna brush my melted butter. And now on the top, I'm gonna add the season. Not too much, enough to cover and spread. I'm gonna cover with the tin foil to put in the oven. For this first step, I'm gonna cook 20 minutes, 200 Celsius, and after I'm gonna check. You can see it's very juicy, but it's not ready, okay? What I'm gonna do is flip the meat to cook the other side. I'm gonna add the rest of the butter. I'm gonna spread the butter, and now I'm gonna add more season, okay? It's the same process, but the other side. I'm gonna cover with the tin foil again and put into the oven. Now it's gonna be 15 minutes, 200 Celsius. Okay, let's check the pork. Now that it's cooked, let's check. I'm super hungry and you guys can see the result. It's hot. Now let's see if it's cooked. It's important for you to check If you think that needs to cook more, you can put back in the oven to cook more if it's necessary. But now I check it, it's okay, it's ready. I'm gonna try to spread this oil, and this is super good. It's very delicious. I'm gonna try this piece here. It's super good. And if you want, you can add toasted garlic on the top. If you love garlic like me, you should do it. Yes, this is very delicious. This is very okay. Subscribe, thumbs up, and share this video with your friends because this pork, it's very okay. And now you can see my result. Yes, my delicious dinner, it's ready. And I'm super hungry. Thank you for watching and see you soon.
Very okay. Please subscribe.
Do you want to decorate your home with something unique made by your hands? How about have a romantic dinner with a beautiful pyramid to decorate your table for your special nights? Or have a cup of a good tea admiring a beautiful gem reflecting a warm light? Yes, I made these cars for you, the ultimate craft design orgonite cars. All tools that it's necessary for you to create beautiful gems. And there's more. I selected some ebooks for you to download PDF format. The ultimate craft design orgonite cars. Discover the potential that you have to create beautiful gems.